PM sir. Today we'll explain the distress signal SOS. Truth More Light according to Crowley's Annex 6 and the International Codes of Signal or ICS. The SOS signal is the internationally recognized emergency signal used when a ship or person is in grave dangers and needs immediate assistance. In Morse code, SOIS is the transmitted to three short flashes, three long flashes, and three short flashes. Using a more light or signaling lamp and short flash lasts about the second while the long flash lasts about 3 seconds with short pauses between signal according to Coleridge's Annex 6. The SOS light signal is the one of the approved distress signal and the most be affected constantly until help or a response is received.
Under the General Code of Signals, all ship and servers are required to recognize and respond properly to distress signals to ensure safety at sea to transmit the signals. The light should be pointed toward the receiving vessel or station. When flashing the correct Morse code pattern, responding when receiving the signals, the obvious silver month identify the source pattern carefully and immediately report into the ship officer or proper installers so rescue information and communication procedures can be quickly important because it allows emergency communication even when radio communication is avail- uh, unavailable, helping save lives during maritime emergencies and conclusion. Understanding how to transmit and receive the source distress signal turn Morse light in an important skill that helps improve communication preparedness and safety at sea.